So on the system, like we would allocate, either myself or Niall as the operations manager would allocate a bus according to the group for the tour that day. Yeah. We actually give each bus a name, yeah, because I think it gives the bus a bit of personality, yeah. And I think the drivers appreciate it a bit more. You know, every bus, like people have their own personalities. Some people like others more than others, you know. Then we got the maintenance side, which is working closely with the mechanics in the garage, scheduling the buses for their either whether it's a 6-week test, whether they have to get their tax done or any calibration that's on the buses. Use the software that you all have on our smartphones. It's called Truckfile. Legally, they have to do a walk-around check. It takes between 10-15 minutes in the morning from when they start the engine before they can take the bus out of the depot. Around the bus, we put QR codes, and there's about 12 different QR codes around the buses, and each one you have to scan, and you have to go through systematically. And when you scan one, a list of questions come up for that particular part of the bus. I suppose some of the drivers, they have a long day. They could be out for 12 hours, up to 14 or 15 hours sometimes. So we don't want them, and they could be up the following morning at 5 o'clock as well, you know. Like, so really what we want to do is to make it as easy as possible for the driver. So normally what a driver would do would just go around the bus, the inside of the bus, to see if there's any rubbish left, yeah, and they put it in a bag. So basically they get into, it's a diesel operated drive around wash. It takes roughly 3 minutes to wash a 12-metre coach. Yeah. And it's running, it's like a traffic light system, you know, so green, that driver is over a percentage, he's really good, he's very efficient, environmentally friendly, he's doing all the right things. If it's orange, we pinpoint where improvements can be made. If it's red, we'll send them back for a retraining session. The environmental challenges that we have, unfortunately, diesel, the perception of diesel is still a dirty fuel, you know, like, you know, we'd love, you know, in the next few years ultimately to go fully electric, but also, you know, you have to think, where is that electricity coming from, you know, like, it's not all coming from green renewable resources, unfortunately. It's a huge investment as well. So you have to balance how much you're investing at a particular time. So we put in, during COVID, I think about 27 solar panels on the roof that covers all our daytime electricity. Ultimately, our aim is to be, you know, a green business, you know, for a green country. Yeah?